Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one Google collections in Java, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this video also like you enjoying my all the previous video and this project also like you enjoying my all the previous project. If you just enjoy and learn more than enough things from that, so please hit a like to this video, and if you're new on the channel, so also hit the subscribe button because it's really motivate me to make more hard work and do more hard work for you in the future and make these videos for you, so you can just also learn these languages and you can also land a job in future and become full stack developer of that. And just you can also check my previous courses of like Java and many other things, and you can also share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn about programming languages and coding languages, and they can also land the job in future, because these all things are really helpful for any of the person if they want to learn. And I hope you enjoyed this video also, so you can check my like I've told you previous courses of Python, Django, React courses in which I have uploaded the tutorial of that. I've also uploaded the JavaScript course, you can see that, and I've uploaded tutorial of that also, and many of like 10 minutes project which is really helpful, you can check that out. And previously on I've just also uploaded like HTML and CSS courses, you can also check that because that is also really helpful. And in the starting I've uploaded some of the Python videos which is just really helpful, but it is small videos, but it is really helpful for beginner if they want to become a full stack developer of Python. You can check my data sciences and machine learning course of Python and my starting videos of Bootstrap, which is also really helpful for starting programmer or coder if you want to start your programming life. And just like that, you have to see my all the videos. In future I'll be uploading the Java tutorial in which I'll be telling all the things start to, and I've just recorded that video, but I'll be uploading in the future because now we are covering with that projects here. So just then I will be uploading that in the future. So now we are just now ending our intermediate course, but it is not the last video. I will be coming up with 3 more videos, then we'll be just lasting our intermediate. We are just having total of 15 videos in this intermediate course, and previously on in beginner we are just getting 13 videos. So in the future in advance we will be getting 20 videos, which will be really helpful for you. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building one Google collections in Java. So before starting the project, I want to show you how our project is looking and how we will be just building that. So just simply if I open my Google Chrome here, if I show you, you can see there it is our Google collection which we are just getting here. You can see we are just getting nothing here because we have not add any of the collection yet. You can just add here by pressing new collection button, in which we are just getting hover effect. Here at the starting, first of all, you can just see at the left side we are just getting collection written. Then at the back we are just getting small box shadow, and then the white nav bar. You can see at the right side we are just getting a Google Apps, in which we are just getting hover effect. Like previously on where we are just make our Play Store app, so in that we are just not getting the hover effect in our Google Apps. But I've just given the hover effect in collections of Google collection, so you can just see how to give a hover effect here. Then we are just getting the hover effect in our Gmail also, like from which Gmail you have signed in with. You can sign in with your Gmail demo, or you can sign in with your original Gmail. It's nothing happen if you sign in with your original one, because it is not having any of the things like virus or anything like that. Then you can see there it is a center written like add item to this collection. Look for the mark across Google to add what you like. You can access collected items from any signed in device. So it means like when you just see any of the website, and here when you have to save that website name, so you can just use a bookmark from here to save that and save it in Google collection, so you can collect your website. Because when we not save the website, we have to find it again and again, like where we have just see that website which we have just see yesterday, like we have to check that. So you can save automatically in Google collection, which is really good. You can also start a search from here, or simply save from here. So just this should be just really helpful for you. So just we'll be starting with our project. So before starting that, you have to open your VS Code. You can also do that all again sublime text or bracket text editor, because that are also like VS Code. But if you are beginner, so my opinion is to use VS Code, because that is a really good text editor in which you can write codes. You can simply install from Google by writing VS Code, and first link will be just appearing to install that. Simply I will be just opening my VS Code here. You can see I have just opened. So here I will be writing some of the code. So this was the previous video codes, like I have recorded that all videos today, so because of that we are just getting all the things like that. Here I'll be writing div class name. Simply like I've telling you, you have to erase all the class name from here. I will be just changing that to a tag which should be like view, and I will be closing this. Here I will be making this curly bracket, in which I will be writing a same tag, but here we have to make a tag, then I will be writing that. Right here array save equals to live. Then you have to do that, move here and then right here array dot save dot live. Now just you have to close this tag here. When you've done that, then I will be moving down here. I will be writing like collection, and then I will be changing that to a tag which should be just like selection, and then equals to right here terminal. Now close this tag here. I will be writing collection dot selection, then I will be writing dot terminal. Here when you've done with that all things, then I will be closing this tag simply, and when you have closed that, just move forward, then move down. Here I will be writing a tag which should be just like a script screen equals to selector. Here when you've done that, then I will be moving down again. Here I will be writing a tag which should be like script dot screen, then I will be writing dot selector. Close this here. Then I will be just moving forward again and moving down. Here I will be just writing that to like audio buffer equals to sound. Then I will be closing this tag, but here you have to change this spelling, and after that you have to write O. Here I'll be pressing backspace, closing this tag. In curly bracket I'll be writing audio dot buffer dot sound. Then you have to close this, and when you've done that, here I will be just moving forward by just moving like that. Here I will be writing a tag which should be just like here added. Then you have to write abert. So we have just written now like that, but you have to write equals to, then write here atomics, so write here like that. Then when you've done that, here I'll be closing and then writing a tag which should be like added dot avert dot atomics, then I'll be closing. So we have to write not many of the code, we have to just write only small codes here. So I will be just writing a tag which should be like source, then I will be writing mode equals to, then change that to a tag which should be just like here added. Close this tag now. Then I will be writing here a tag which will be like source dot mode dot edit. Here you have to just close this tag, then erase this slash also which we are getting here after this close tag of edit. Then I will be moving down. Here I will be writing context console equals to name. Here I will be closing that here, and I will be writing context dot console dot name. Here I will be closing this tag now. Then I will be moving down on making a floor tag here. Here I will be writing element equals to event. Then close this here and write a floor dot element dot event tag here. Close this now from here. Then I will be moving forward. Here I will be writing element URL. Here simply I will be writing. Then after that, when you done with that, so here I will be writing effect. Write effect and close this and make curly bracket again. Here I will be writing element, and then I will be writing URL dot effect. When you've done that, close this again, move forward here, and when you've done that, here I will be moving down, in which I will be writing like param, and then I will be writing sound equals to, then change that to element. Just move forward and write a tag which will be like param dot sound dot element. Here I will be closing this tag. Now when you've done that, here I will be moving down, then I will be changing that to a tag which will be just like node, and here I will be writing controller equals to convert, and here I will be just, okay, so spelling is incorrect, I'll be writing convert. So here you have to write convert. Now when you've done that, here I'll be writing node dot controller dot convert. Close this tag here. Then I will be moving down, and here I will be writing like animation animate equals to request. Then close this here. Here I will be writing animation dot animate dot request, and close this. Here when you done with that all things, then I will be moving down simply. Here I will be writing like oscillator. So write here oscillator, and then I will be writing animation equals to, then change that to a tag which will be just like here terminal we have already done. So here I will be writing like performance, then close this here. Here I will be writing oscillator dot animation dot performance. Close this tag now, and when you're done with that all things, here I will be doing one thing. I will be moving down, then I will be just simply saving this file. And when you have just saved that, if I show you in the Google Chrome, so our project should be just ready. So I will be simply opening my Google Chrome. You can see our Google collection project is ready. We are just getting all the things which we are just getting in the demo. You can see that we are just getting at the left side collection written here. Then we are getting a small box shadow in, at the back side we are getting the white color. At the right we are just getting this Google Apps icon and this icon of like Gmail from which you have signed in with, and then we are just getting new collection button in which we are getting the hover effect of lightish black. And if I see in center, so we are just getting this bookmark icon or bookmark picture you can say, and we are also getting this written add items to this collection. Look for the bookmark across Google to add what you like. You can access collected items from any sign-in device. You can see start a search by pressing this button. In here also we are getting a lightish black alert hover effect. So like that you can build your own Google collection project in Java. I hope you understand this video and I hope you also enjoy. If you enjoy, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, so also subscribe on my channel and also share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn about this programming languages and coding languages and become a full stack developer of that in future. I'll be also coming up with many of the languages in future which will be really helpful for you. Like previously on, we have covered up the Django Python course and many other courses of React, JavaScript. So my opinion is to check React courses because React and JavaScript courses are really helpful, in which I have uploaded clones, websites and many other projects you can check, because that are also really helpful, because that are big project but it's really helpful, and when you make one time, so it will be helping you whole of your life. Just you have to make one time that project. So just I will be meeting you next project. So for today, good bye.